Hey guys, it's Dr. Keen. I just wanted to give you a quick video here just to help walk you through how to set up this program. This is the last program that we're going to be setting up for this course right now. So basically what you do is you go to this site right here that I gave you in your in the instructions for the assignment, and you click the link that I gave you. It'll take you here. If you've used this program before, it's called Applied Educational Systems. It has a lot of different uses, so you may have used it before. If you haven't, you need to go down here and create a new student account, and you use the enrollment code that I gave you. Now this one right here is for 5th period. The one over here is for 2nd period. So depending on which period you're in, that's the one you're going to use. And then you click next, and you're going to put in your first name, your last name. Please use your actual first name and last name, no nicknames. Put your school email address in here. Create a password. Use one that you're going to remember. Click save, and then you should be all set. So if you have any questions, let me know. Should be pretty straightforward, but any hiccups you hit, just send me a message and I'll try and walk you through it. Hope this helps.